Hello, my name is Ana Gonzalez, R&D Manager at EPIC, and I am at this special edition of OFC to present you the manufacturing pilot lines in photonics, PICSAP, JPICS, and Fabulous. This is an initiative of the European Commission in partnership with Photonics 21. The goal of the pilot lines is to help companies that are interested in developing a photonic-based product to reach pilot production, which is fundamental to evaluate a series of products before reaching the commercial production. But first of all, let's talk about JPICS pilot line, the pilot line offering volume production of indium phosphide chips for a number of applications. Advantages of indium phosphide when comparing with silicon photonics is that you have many functionalities integrated in the same chip, such as lasers, amplifiers, detectors, modulators, waveguides. All these will be incorporated during a single fabrication process, the wafer level, and in this way, reducing the complexity of the fabrication and increasing the performance of the device and reducing the power consumption. JPICS pilot line offers design, manufacturing, and testing services that are compatible processes across the entire supply chain, with secondaries foundries offering similar parameters. JPICS is the right solution to go to pilot production from your prototype. And now JPICS launched an open core to reduce the barriers for the companies to access JPICS services. Once you have your indium phosphide chip ready, or your silicon photonic chip, or even your silicon nitride chip, is the moment to package them. For this, we have PICSAP pilot line, the pilot line for packaging and assembling photonic integrated circuits. PICSAP offers a menu of packaging processes to its users, which cover optical, electrical, thermal, mechanical, and microfluidic processes. These building blocks allow standardized manufacturing processes to be used across the entire supply chain, which also includes the foundries and software companies. PICSAP provides different packaging solutions adapted to the needs of the different users of the technology. Recently, PICSAP has launched its new PICSAP prototype packaging platform, designed to develop prototype packages that use standardized electro-optomechanical designs, which reduce costs and speeds up developments and assembly times. This PICSAP prototype packaging platform is incorporated now together with the pilot packaging platform that offers standardized packages for optical communications, diagnosis, and fiber sensing applications. And last but not least, I would like to present you Fabulous, the pilot line for going to large volume production of free-form micro-optics for applications like lighting in automotive, luxury, optical communications, but also a key topic for packaging chips based on photonic integrated circuits. Fabulous offers all the services needed to go to pilot production with your idea, including modeling, tooling, and quality control. Fabulous offers different replication technologies, such as wafer scale, roll-to-plate, and roll-to-roll, to go for mass production for the different applications and user cases. So thank you very much for visiting our booth and for listening until the end. And if you want to access the best manufacturing options to produce your photonic devices, contact me and I will be very happy to give you more info. Bye.